This robot just built itself. Well, almost. Welcome to the most advanced robot factory on Earth, where machines don't just work alongside humans, they're actually building their mechanical descendants. What you're about to see will completely change how you think about the future of manufacturing. This is Fanuc's headquarters in Japan, a 25 million square foot facility where robots outnumber humans 10 to 1. But here's what's wild. This entire operation runs in near darkness. They call it the lights out factory, and for good reason. These robots work 24/7 in complete darkness, taking breaks only for maintenance once every few months. Picture this, rows upon rows of yellow robotic arms moving in perfect synchronization, assembling their own kind with precision down to 5 micrometers. That's thinner than a human hair. And the best part? Humans only step in for quality checks. Here's something that'll blow your mind. In the time it takes you to watch this video, this factory will have produced 50 robots. That's one robot every 6 seconds. But how is that even possible? Let me take you inside the assembly process. It starts with the smallest components, circuit boards barely larger than your thumbnail. Robot arms equipped with microscopic cameras pick up components weighing less than a grain of rice and place them with absolute precision. Then comes the body assembly. Aluminum alloy frames are milled, shaped, and welded entirely by machines. The robotic arms literally build other robotic arms. It's like watching a mechanical organism reproduce. But here's where it gets crazy. Each robot has AI that learns from every single unit it builds. Made a microscopic error, the system remembers and adjusts. By the end of each day, these robots are measurably better than they were at the start. They're evolving. Wait, you might be thinking, if robots are building robots, where are all the humans? That's the million-dollar question, and the answer is more surprising than you'd think. Meet the skeleton crew of 100 engineers who oversee this empire of 1,000 robots. Their job isn't to build, it's to teach, troubleshoot, and innovate. Engineer Takeshi explains it like this: "We're not workers anymore. We're conductors of a mechanical orchestra." These humans program complex assembly sequences, design quality control algorithms, and push the boundaries of what these machines can do. And here's something fascinating. When a new robot model is being developed, humans build the first prototype by hand. Then they teach the robots how to replicate the process. After that, the robots take over and can produce thousands of identical copies, each one perfect. The result? This factory produces 25,000 robots per month with a defect rate of just 0.01%. That's 99.99% perfection. But here's the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to talk about. Factories like this are spreading across the globe. So what does this mean for human workers? The answer might surprise you. Right now, there are 47 factories worldwide using similar lights-out technology, from Tesla's gigafactories in Nevada to Samsung's semiconductor plants in South Korea. And they're not just building robots anymore. They're manufacturing everything: cars, phones, computer chips, even medical devices. Here's the paradox. While these factories employ fewer people per unit produced, they've actually created entirely new job categories: AI trainers, robotics engineers, automation specialists. Roles that didn't exist 10 years ago are now among the highest-paying jobs in manufacturing. In fact, Fanuc has seen their human workforce become more valuable, not less. The average salary of their employees has increased 40% in the last 5 years because the skills required are far more sophisticated. But make no mistake, traditional assembly line jobs are disappearing. The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2030, robots will handle 85% of all manufacturing tasks currently done by humans. And this is just the beginning. What Fanuc is testing right now in their R&D lab sounds like science fiction, but it's happening today. Self-replicating robots that can diagnose their own problems and 3D print replacement parts. Factories that can completely reconfigure themselves overnight to produce entirely different products. A future where a factory in Tokyo receives an order for a custom product and has it built, packaged, and shipped by robots, all within 2 hours. This isn't the future of manufacturing.
This is manufacturing right now. The question isn't whether this technology will spread, it's whether we're ready for what comes next. Because inside this factory, the future isn't being imagined, it's being built, one robot at a time.